Hello everybody, 6K911 here with another video. Today we're going to be doing something that's been bugging me for about a couple days now. See, for some reason MSI would constantly be saying, oh, no internet, we can't scan, there's no internet, when clearly I have internet, you know? Like, it's Ethernet, everything else works, my Chrome works fine. So if you want to fix it, and honestly it's the easiest way to do it, here's what you do. You go down here, you type in uninstall, and this will come up, or just uni, add or remove programs. You go here, you search up MSI, and you find live update. You click uninstall and go through that process. After you click uninstall, you want to come back over here and go to this link, the MSI page, right? Link to it will be in the description. This little link right here that says download live update 6, this small little text, you're going to want to click on it, and it'll take you to a thing where it asks you to save it. After you save it, you're going to want to launch it, extract it, or you're going to want to launch it, go in about 2 folders till there's going to be one folder, you go into that folder. In that folder there's going to be exe. When you launch it, it's going to ask you to extract and then launch. So you click extract all, and then after you extract all, then just go back into the folder, the exe, and thanks. So we're going to do that really quickly right now. So let's just see if I have it. No, I don't have it saved. Alright. So here it is. You launch it, right, from your taskbar. Not your taskbar, your downloads bar. You launch it, it's going to chug a little bit, since it is a fresh install. See, here's the folder containing the current version. Yours might say a different number if you're doing this in the future. Open that, live update 6. When you launch that, it's going to ask you to extract all. You're going to click extract all and do the same process till you launch the thing again. Then it's going to take you into the installation thing, asking you to accept license, accept terms and conditions, finish installation. And then it's going to ask you to register your product. Now, if you already had MSI and never needed to do that, just hit never mind, because in the long run, it doesn't affect anything. I'm pretty sure it's just a warranty thing. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video.